Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Ring Always Home app on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Ring app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are in, you will see the main dashboard. Here you can view all your Ring device like camera, doorbell or motion sensor all in one place. To check a live feed, tap the device you want to see. The app will show real-time videos so you can see what's happening at home anytime. You can also set motion alert, tap settings on the device, choose motion detection and adjust the sensitivity. You will get notification if app detects movement. The always on feature lets you schedule device, add patrol or monitor at specific times. Tap always on, pick a device and set a schedule. The app will automate monitoring for you. Finally, tap history to review recorded events. You can watch videos, save clips or share them if needed. This helps you keep track of your home anytime. And that's it. With the Ring Always Home app on your phone, you can easily monitor your home, get alerts and stay safe. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.